New at 5, a Georgetown University student was trying to hurt himself when he made ricin in his dorm room. Now, this is what his defense attorney is saying today in court. KRIS Van Cleave live from the courthouse with what we've now learned about this 19-year-old and why he's being held without bond. Chris?
Well, Allison, he's being held because the prosecution is appealing a judge's decision today to send him to an inpatient treatment center. So for now, he remains behind bars. Prosecutors say they don't know for sure whether he was trying to hurt himself or if he was hoping to hurt somebody else. What they do say is they believe the safest place for him is behind bars. 17 friends of 19-year-old Georgetown student Daniel Millsman leave U.S. District Court in D.C. after the teen appeared before a judge this afternoon. Millsman stands accused of producing the deadly toxin RICIN in his on-campus dorm room. His family and friends did not talk to reporters. Court documents claim the teen admitted to making the RICIN in February after using his iPhone to find online instructions. He paid cash for the precursor materials from local stores, and prosecutors say took pains to dispose of evidence. Lawyers for the government say they have an extremely strong case and asked the judge to order Millsman held without bond, saying he remains a danger. Prosecutors cited a series of nasty Facebook messages Millsman sent another Georgetown student in January, calling him garbage and scum, encouraging that student to kill himself by doing a flip off the Key Bridge. As possible indications, Millsman was planning to use RICIN on someone other than himself. The defense called the teen a gifted student who has been battling depression for several years and had spiraled towards suicide, arguing he made the RICIN to take his own life because the toxin presents symptoms of a virus and would obscure the true nature of his death. Lawyers for the teen say telling his dorm's resident advisor about the RICIN was a call for help from a scared 19-year-old who needs medical help he can't receive in the D.C. jail. And the judge was leaning in that direction, recommending that he be taken immediately to Sibley Hospital for a 2-week inpatient program and then be released to home confinement under the strict supervision of his parents, both of whom, both of whom are doctors. The prosecutors, however, said immediately they were planning to appeal that. That will go to the chief judge. It is likely the chief judge will hold another detention hearing in the next few days, but for now, Millsman remains behind bars. We are live in Northwest Washington tonight. KRIS Van Cleave, ABC 7 News.